Oh! Is your name Bronwyn? She says, yes. Is your name Kira? Yes. Oh, what a good girl. Oh, look. And there comes Kenny. Or Bruce for Bruce Wayne Batman. Or Dan for Dapper Dan. Hi, Brandon. Good boy, buddy. Oh. There goes Kira. She's got lots of white. Oh. Grandma. Good girl, Kate. Good girl, Kate. And there goes Bronwyn, and there goes Kenny. Oh, they're so cute. Yeah, she's a girl. So cute. First rain. You're so flashy. Hi, Kira. Hi. Is that my shoe? Oh, look. A tunnel. Wow, that's kind of cool. What is it? What is it? It's interesting. I like it. There's Grandma again. And he says, ooh, you're kind of nice.